Hi guys, in this video we're gonna play Brookhaven, but this is my warning. This is not English. This is Filipino. Tagalog. If you know Tagalog too, I guess you can understand what I'm saying. But if you don't, I don't know. Just watch it, okay? Just watch it. Well, skip that. We're here in Brookhaven, and this guy named HDOFKK. What does that mean? Ano pag ibig sabihin niyan? Anong ibig sabihin niyan? Yung name mo.
Take my wife with you. I'll be fine. I just gotta stay here and document all of this.
No, I'm not leaving without you. Please, let's just go. Forget what's wrong.
Nanonood ako ng Darman, kaya dramatic. Sorry guys. Oo. Hanggang ano lang to, 9 seconds. Or 9 minutes. Ay, 9 minutes pala, hindi 9 seconds.
Just come home with me.
9 minutes lang yung vlog natin. Sino to, men? Hindi ko maintindihan yung letter niya. Ay, iba ata yung ano, baka Arabic. Or ano, Indian ata. Indian ata yan? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam yung language na yun eh. Subscribe pala and like. Kasi gusto ko magka 1k subscribers. Hindi ko naman kayo pinipilit na mag-subscribe. Mag-subscribe lang kayo pag gusto niyo. Gusto ko din mag-invite sa inyo. Sorry, nabubulol ako. Skip that again, guys. Grabe. Hindi pa kasi ako marunong magdaldal. Gaya ng mga YouTuber. Ito yung friend ko, si Grace. Sobrang bait niya. Pero, explore natin siya. Let's go. Pero Mina, wag niyo ko ipaban kay YouTube. Wag niyo ipaban kay YouTube. Ay, joke lang. Ay, skip that again, guys. Skip that. Di talaga ako marunong magdaldal. Men, dumaldal pala. Ano ba to? Sorry guys, sorry. Wow! Sorry. Wow! Sorry. Magbilang tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 18. Ano ba yun? 29? Nakalimutan ko yung count ko, man. Grabe. Grace. Turn on my voice speaker on my record. I turn on my voice speaker on my record, and I will send it to you. Send it to you. So guys, ayun lang yung video natin. Sorry sa daldalan ko. Ay, ano ba yun? Nakakainis. Sorry sa pagbulol-bulol ko, ganun. Sorry, hindi pa kasi marunong mag voice speaker. Sa pagdadaldal, ganun. Kaya nila Mr. Beast, ganun. Sorry guys, bye.
Alright, come on, let's get everybody inside.